Hi,
Hi,
we are making
Mega Constructs Collection um, construction vehicle.
okay. So you can collect six of them, and you never know which one is in the poly bag. So we got this one.
This one is the dump truck.
We got this one from I think the 99 store, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
99 cents. It dumps pretty nicely. This, let me see this. And
We are almost there. Last two wheel.
yes. Okay, last one. Done. This is the dump truck.
Can you put it over there on the road? Yeah.
Wait, put this rubber band.
No. Okay, nice. And it runs good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.